Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some products from Maniology, 9 new stamping polishes, 5 new plates, and they're all holiday themed. So I can't wait to show you what they sent me, and I am going to do a demo with one of the plates to show you how easy it is to do some holiday or even winter time stamping designs. So today's video is going to be part 1 of my holiday series, and I'm either going to do 2 or 3 parts. I haven't decided yet, as per normal. So if this interests you, just keep on watching. So if you remember in my first Maniology video, I was saying how much I wanted Grimm's Nightfall stamping polishes. Well, Maniology sent me the 6 polishes, and I'm so thankful for that. And they also sent me 5 plates holiday themed. They let me pick, which was super generous of them. And they also let me pick 3 other stamping polishes that I thought would create some really nice holiday designs. So the first plate that they sent me, and this is the plate I'm going to use in this video, is Antique Swirls M396. I've taken courses on how to do swirls with gel paints. This is way easier. Holiday Collection Sparkling Celebration M042. I was so excited to see this plate. This is like a New Year's plate. It's got the numbers with the fireworks everywhere, and I don't have a plate like this, so I'm quite excited for this one. Next is plate number M171, Winter Occasions Snowy Forest Hung with Care. I like this one because I kind of wanted to do a scenery type fun Christmas design in one of the videos that I do for you. So I was really excited to get this plate, and sometimes you want to do a Christmas tree on a nail and it's so much easier to stamp than to hand paint in my case. Another great winter plate is All About Argyle M268. I can't wait to play around with this one. You could do some layering with this plate. I've seen some tutorials on this, and I'm really excited to test this one out and see how it works. It does look like it's quite well etched, so your image is going to pick up nicely. And of course, you can't go wrong with another snowflake plate. Snowy Day M338. I have to admit, I was getting kind of bored of my snowflake plates that I already have, so I thought this would be a nice addition to my collection, and there's some really unique designs on this plate that, again, yes, I'm excited to try out. So these are the 3 extra stamping polishes I picked: a pearl white, a metallic red, and a gold. So this pearl white, I wanted to replace my CGS polish. This one is Frozen B316, and this CGS stamping polish is Angelic White. It's number 51, and I wanted to see how it compared. So the consistency of Frozen is quite thin, but not a sheer thin, so I think this is going to work really nice. And Frozen is on the left, and Angelic White is on the right. Now the CGS stamping polish I opened brand new, I think about 6 months ago, and it's almost unusable. So we'll see how Maniology holds up. So this gold I wanted to compare it to Bring on the Bubbly from CGS. I like the lighter golds, not the yellow golds, but more of the champagne golds. And the CGS one is on the right and Maniology is on the left. Maniology is a thinner consistency. Again, my CGS is, I've got half a bottle and it's very thick. So I do know that you can get polish thinner and thin them out. Okay, let's take a look at the red. This is Candy Apple B456, and this is kind of a metallic sort of color. Not really, actually. A shimmer, that's what I think it would be. And I don't have anything quite like this color in my collection at all, so this is a nice addition. Okay, and these 6 colors are the Grimm's Nightfall collection. So I think this was brought out for Halloween themed nails, but I think this would be a great addition edition for even holiday nails. So let's take a look at these colors and swatch them. Mirror Mirror B220, and this is like your pewter black. I guess pewter's more gray, but it's a black with silver shimmer in it, and it's very, very pigmented. And the next color is this metallic shimmery purple, Dearest Aurora B221, and this looks like it would be a sheer. Yeah, it is a sheer stamping polish. I am curious to see how this would stamp. I think if you wanted to do tone on tone, this might look really cool. Now these polishes do dry quite fast. I think I waited about 30 seconds before I put a second coat on, and I got a little bit more depth with this color. So this is almost like a color shifting stamping polish, which is really cool. Next we have this metallic blue. This is like a medium blue, Gretel Brittle B222, and this is also a shearer stamping polish. It's quite thin in viscosity, but when I put the second layer on, it did give it a little bit more depth. I think stamping this on top of a darker blue would look wow. So this is 2 layers. You do get a bit more depth to this color. And yeah, I think even a silvery white stamped on top of this color would look so stunning. Or as I said earlier, stamping this color on top of a darker color. And the next color is this really pretty metallic burgundy. This is the color I would gravitate towards when I wore nail polish. Oh gosh, that seems like years ago. It is not as sheer as the other ones that I showed you. And I'm actually quite impressed at how for a nail polish or a stamping polish this self levels. That is so cool. This next gorgeous color is also metallic color, and it is called Glass Slipper B224. This goes on just like the burgundy one did. One coat and you get a really nice opaque coverage. This would look great on the toes, wouldn't it? And the last color is this metallic bronzy copper called Solace B225. This one's also a sheared stamping polish, but I've actually stamped with this, you guys. It is incredible. The sheer stamping polishes stamp amazingly well. So I'm going to take these nail tips that I just swatched out and do a design using the Maniology M396, the swirl plate, and I'm actually just going to let you watch this. Okay, when I stamped this color, being as sheer as it is on top of Frozen, I was blown away. My smile was from ear to ear. It is so beautiful, and this would be a great design that you could wear even on New Year's or for winter nails. Okay, and this one even blew my mind even more. This one turned out, wow. I would do all 10 nails like this for a holiday themed nail. That looks so stunning. I will show you these up close at the end of the video. Okay, this one was so cool. Again, blew my mind. The base polish almost looks like a purple, but it's not. It was the Gretel Brittle, which is that blue, light blue, but it looks purple with glass slipper on top. These two colors would look really cool with snowflake designs as well. So here I'm going to take Frozen and stamp on top of Glass Slipper, and I want to see if it kind of translates to a silver, and it kind of does. And I'm using a different design because I kind of liked these two designs. I think this would be a great winter design if you just didn't want snowflakes or Christmas trees or garland or anything like that. I think this would be a nice option. So another color combination I wanted to try was these two stamping polishes with the swirls that go over the complete nail, just to see how this would turn out. And wow. I love this look. I absolutely love this look. You could use this color combination and do Christmas balls. That would look stunning. So these are the 5 designs that we did today, just giving you a nice close-up of them. And I have to be honest, I was a little hesitant with the sheer stamping polishes. I didn't know if they would stamp that well. I didn't know if I would struggle, and I didn't. So I think with the sheer stamping polishes, they are great to put on top of maybe the same color, but a darker or a lighter tone, and you can get a really nice effect. So I am so impressed with these polishes. And this plate was very easy to pick the image up with, so I did not struggle with that. There was no editing that part out. I didn't struggle. Even if I hesitated to put the image down, you did see a little bit of lifting of the polish. You just press it down and it sits nicely on the nail. No issues whatsoever. I am just so thrilled with this company. And don't forget, I still have my discount code for you guys, Auralite 10 at Maniology.com, and that will give you 10% off your purchase. So anytime you want to go and do some shopping on the Maniology website, use my coupon code to get a little bit of money off, especially during the Christmas season. And also don't forget, I will be doing a series with this collection. I've got 4 more plates to show you guys. I don't know if I'm going to do it in 2 or 3 parts or not. I haven't quite decided yet, but there will be a part 2 for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for the response on my first series. It went really well, and I'm so pleased you guys like this kind of content, and I'm excited to do another series for you guys. If you have any questions, please comment them down below. I will do my best to answer them in a timely manner. It is the holiday season, but we will get this done. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.